Misplay's game list can stop refreshing when the app is showing stale data, has a connection problem, or needs to reload its current game offers. By the end, you'll know the quickest checks to refresh the Mistplay game list, and what to do if new games still do not appear. Start by completely closing Mistplay and opening it again. Do not just minimize the app, remove it from your recent apps and relaunch it. This forces Mistplay to request the current game information again. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Mistplay.io. If the list changes after switching connections, the problem was likely related to the original connection, rather than your account. If the list still looks frozen, check whether Mistplay has an update available in the Google Play Store. An outdated app version can cause features or content to behave differently from the current version. You should also check your phone's available storage. If your device is nearly full, apps can have problems saving temporary data and loading new content correctly. Free up some space if necessary. Then restart Mistplay. The next step is clearing Misplay's cache. On Android, open Settings and IAMC, go to Appsy, select Mistplay, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache Touch. Do not select each clear data unless you are certain you know your Mistplay login details and are comfortable signing back in. After clearing the cache, reopen Mistplay and give the game list another chance to load. If you are specifically looking for a game that disappeared, check whether it is still available for your account and region. Mistplay does not necessarily show identical game selections to every user, so a game missing from your list does not automatically mean the app is broken. Also check your account status. If Mistplay has signed you out, some personalized content may not load correctly. Open your profile and confirm that you are still logged into the correct account. If your game list remains unchanged after these steps, avoid repeatedly uninstalling and reinstalling Mistplay. Instead, contact Mistplay support and explain that the game catalog is not refreshing. Include your device model, Android version, Mistplay app version, and a screenshot of the game list. The practical order is simple. Restart Mistplay, test your connection, update the app, clear its cache, and verify your account. If the list still will not refresh after that, send the details to Mistplay support so they can check whether the issue is account-specific or related to the current game catalog. If this fixed your Mistplay game list, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.